Hey everyone, how you doing? Lone Wolf Ham Radio YouTube channel. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I like to go out into the countryside and I like to set up a little QRP station, do a little bit of QRP, 10 watts maximum, and try and get as many contacts as possible for POTA to work FT8 and stuff like that. But I'll be honest, QRP is really hard. I don't think anyone's going to disagree with me. I've been looking around and I saw the Hamvention, the Dayton Hamvention reports, and I was really excited by the new Yaesu FTX-1 and the FTX-1 Optima amplifier and tuners. I did a bit of digging and I thought about it a long time, and I thought about it, and I finally made up my mind and I bought myself a new radio. And what did I buy? Well, I bought a Yaesu. But which Yaesu did I buy? That's the question. Bought a new Yaesu, not a brand new Yaesu, new Yaesu to me, and I'll tell you why, and I'll tell you what I bought. I bought a nice little Yaesu ft857D, and the reason I bought the ft857D is because I was looking at the Yaesu FTX-1. I was looking at the Yaesu FTX-1, and what I was looking at a new radio with a nice big screen, nice big knob, nice little knobs. It had a touch screen, it had an amplifier that came with it. If you don't know, the Yaesu FTX-1 is a field radio with, I think it's 5 watts maximum, or maybe a bit more with an external battery. It's a field radio, but you can attach it to a 100-watt amplifier. And I like that, I really like the form factor. I think Yaesu have done an amazing job. They've really listened to people and they've come up with this as a new way of working, a new radio. You can leave the amplifier at home, you can take the field unit, the head unit, out into the field and you can operate. That's brilliant. But there's one thing that bothered me about it, and it was too big for me. Fine, the field unit would work really well. I'd stick it in my little backpack and I could go walking, go and do some POTA. If I could find some hills around there, I'd do some SOTA, but I swear there's only one and it's about 200 meters above sea level. It's ridiculous. But it would still be QRP. Okay, and that's what bothered me. I looked around, I did some thinking, I thought, I really want a radio that's like the Yaesu 857D. Okay, and for my money, to my way of thinking, the only thing that is like an 857D is actually an 857D. Yaesu, hats off to you. The FTX, it's a beautiful bit of kit. The form factor is very well. The front of the radio is very similar to the FT710 or the FT991. Beautiful radios, and I love them for what they are. But I decided to regress and go back to a tried and tested radio that I know has been tested and it's rugged. I can take it out into the field and it'll just work. That's why I've gone back to an old Yaesu FT57D, and I think it's going to be great. If that's the sort of thing that interests you, then stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing a bit of work with this radio. I need to set it up for FT8, I need to set it up for WinLink, Vara, etc, etc. Stay tuned to the channel. If you like what you see and if you're interested in this sort of thing, then please click subscribe and ring the bell when you get notifications when I release new videos, and we'll just see how it goes. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All the best. 73s.
Please go ahead, Japan, Prague.